Hello, young mathematicians. Are you ready to explore the fascinating world of numbers today? Today, we're diving into the world of integers. Integers are special numbers that can be positive, negative, or even zero. Integers are like regular numbers, but they can also be negative. This means they can be less than zero, which is something we don't see with regular counting numbers. Positive integers are greater than zero. These are the numbers we use every day, like when we count our toys or the number of apples in a basket. We write them with a plus sign in front, like this, +1, +5, +10. But often, we don't even need to write the plus sign because it's understood. You can also write them without the plus sign, 1, 5, 10. It's just as correct and makes things simpler. Negative integers are less than zero. These numbers are like the opposite of the positive numbers. They can represent things like temperatures below freezing or debts. We write them with a minus sign in front like this, -1, -5, -10. The minus sign tells us that these numbers are below zero. See the minus sign? That tells us they are negative. It's like a little flag that says, hey, this number is less than zero. Together, positive integers, negative integers, and zero make up the set of all integers. This complete set helps us understand and describe the world around us in a more detailed way. So next time you see a number with a plus or minus sign, you'll know exactly what it means. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be a master of integers. Let's imagine a number line. It's like a ruler that goes on forever in both directions. The middle point is zero. Numbers to the right of zero are positive integers. Numbers to the left of zero are negative integers. The further a number is to the right, the bigger it is. The further a number is to the left, the smaller it is. Let's try ordering some integers from smallest to largest -5, +3, 0, -1, +2. Remember, the further to the left on the number line, the smaller the integer. The smallest number is -5, then comes -1, then 0, then +2, and finally +3. So, the ordered list is -5, -1, 0, +2, +3. Adding integers is like moving along the number line. If we add a positive integer, we move to the right. If we add a negative integer, we move to the left. For example, let's add +3 plus -2. We start at +3 on the number line. Then we move 2 spaces to the left because we are adding a negative number. We end up at +1. So, +3 plus -2 equals +1. Section 5. Subtracting integers. Taking away positive and negative numbers. Subtracting integers is similar to adding, but we move in the opposite direction. Subtracting a positive integer means moving to the left on the number line. Subtracting a negative integer means moving to the right. For instance, let's subtract 4 minus 2. We start at 4 on the number line. Then we move 2 spaces to the left because we are subtracting a positive number. We end up at 2. So, 4 minus 2 equals 2. Section 6. Multiplying integers, repeated addition with a twist. In this section, we will explore how multiplication of integers can be understood as repeated addition, but with a crucial twist that involves the signs of the numbers. Multiplying integers is like repeated addition, but we need to pay attention to the signs. When we multiply 2 integers, the signs of these numbers play a significant role in determining the result. This is where the twist comes in. If the signs are the same, both positive or both negative, the answer is positive. This means that multiplying 2 positive numbers or 2 negative numbers will always yield a positive result. For instance, multiplying 3 by 2, both positive, gives us 6. If the signs are different, one positive and one negative, the answer is negative. This means that when you multiply a positive number by a negative number, or vice versa, the result will always be negative. For example, multiplying 3 by -2 gives us -6. For example, +3 times +2 equals +6. Same signs, positive answer. This is straightforward because we are simply adding 3 2 times, which gives us 6. -3 times -2 equals +6. Same signs, positive answer. Here we are adding -3 2 times, but since both numbers are negative, the negatives cancel out, resulting in a positive 6. +3 times -2 equals -6, different signs, negative answer. This is because we are adding 3 2 times in the negative direction, which gives us -6. minus 3 times plus 2 equals minus 6, different signs, negative answer. In this case, we are adding minus 3 2 times in the positive direction, resulting in minus 6. Understanding these rules helps us solve multiplication problems involving integers more effectively. Section 7. Dividing integers. Sharing equally with positive and negative numbers. In this section, we will explore how to divide integers, both positive and negative, and understand the rules that govern these operations. Dividing integers can be straightforward once you grasp the basic principles. Dividing integers is similar to multiplying. The key difference lies in the signs of the numbers involved. When you divide two integers, you need to pay attention to whether the numbers are positive or negative. If the signs are the same, both positive or both negative, the answer is positive. This means that when you divide a positive number by another positive number, or a negative number by another negative number, the result will always be positive. For instance, dividing 8 by 4, both positive, gives you a positive 2. If the signs are different, one positive and one negative, the answer is negative. This rule applies when you divide a positive number by a negative number, or a negative number by a positive number. The result will always be negative. For example, dividing 8 by minus 4 gives you minus 2. For example, plus 6 divided by plus 2 equals plus 3, same signs, positive answer. This is a straightforward case where both numbers are positive, and the result is also positive. Minus 6 divided by minus 2 equals plus 3, same signs, positive answer. Even though both numbers are negative, the result is positive because the signs are the same. Plus 6 divided by minus 2 equals minus 3, different signs, negative answer. Here, the positive number divided by a negative number results in a negative outcome. Minus 6 divided by plus 2 equals minus 3, different signs, negative answer. In this case, a negative number divided by a positive number also results in a negative outcome. Understanding these rules helps in solving integer division problems accurately and efficiently. Section 8. Combining operations, putting it all together. Now let's try some examples combining all four operations. 1. Negative 3 plus positive 5 times negative 2 equals negative 3 plus negative 10, which equals negative 13. 2. Positive 10 divided by negative 2 minus negative 3 equals negative 5 minus negative 3, which equals negative 2. 3. Positive 4 times negative 2 plus positive 6 equals negative 8 plus positive 6, which equals negative 2. Section 9. Keep practicing, integers are everywhere. Congratulations! You've learned about integers, how to order and compare them, and how to add, subtract, multiply and divide them. Keep practicing and you'll be an integer pro in no time. Integers are everywhere in the world around us, from temperatures to bank accounts. I hope you enjoyed this fun math adventure.